Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Tab 10 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and the keypad, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me show you the first code, which will open the imei info. And the code for it is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with the imei number and also a serial number of this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic info. So the code is *##426###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the events and also the status. As you can see, after tapping on it again, we can check the server host, port, time connected and sign-in level. After tapping on the events, we can check some further details. What's more, we can show advanced view. Just tap here, tap on the status, and as you can see, we've got much more info. So we can check, for example, the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. So let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code for it is *##225###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We could check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you another code, which is, let's say, kind of a testing mode. It is *##4636###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the tablet and Wi-Fi info and also user statistics. So let's begin with the tablet info, and as you can see, here we've got some technical info, just like the imei number, car network, data service or data network type. What's more, we can run ping test right here, and here we've got the results. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also, for example, enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back, let's enter usage statistics, and basically this section is connected with all of the apps and actually processes which are currently on this device. They are listed, they are sorted by usage time currently, but of course we can change it. So we can see that I've been using the Google Play Store for about 50 minutes. We can change the sorting type, as I said, to the last time used, for example, or the app name. So after that, the apps will be listed alphabetically, and we can also enter the Wi-Fi info. So we've got the API configuration and the status. So for example, here you can refresh the stats and you can check some further info about the supplicant state, the hidden SSID or network ID. You can also run ping tests right here. So basically that's all. This is how to use the secret codes in your CUBOT Tablet Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.